Number 2 is giving us formulas and asking us for names. The skill that's really involved here is understanding when to use which naming system. For example, in A, silicon and fluorine are both to the right of the staircase, meaning I have 2 nonmetals involved. If I have 2 nonmetals, I want to use Greek prefixes. The Greek prefixes tell me how many of each thing are present. I have 1 silicon. I don't need a prefix. I have 6 fluorines. The prefix for 6 is hexa. Silicon hexafluoride. If I had had one of the second thing, I would have had a prefix and used mono. Make sure to review other examples of that. Next, we have something involving titanium. Titanium is a transition metal. Whenever I have a transition metal, I need to use Roman numerals. I know this is going to be titanium something nitrate. I need to figure out what the charge of titanium is so that I know what to put there. I'm going to do that based on knowing nitrate. I had 2 nitrates. Each nitrate has a charge of -1. Therefore, what must be the charge of titanium if they combine to equal 0? Solving for the charge of titanium, it must be a +2, so I'm going to use a Roman numeral of 2. The last example is just a metal plus a nonmetal, a typical ionic compound. I don't do anything to the name of the first one. The second one's nitrogen. I change its ending to nitride. This is one of the cases where we drop more than the last syllable.